Hello YouTube, let's download and install Technocare APK for your Android devices. First, Google Technocare APK and visit the official technocareapk.com website. Technocare APK download, the best FRP bypass tool. Scroll down and find the download link. Visit YouTube's best video tutorial Technocare APK Android download, and especially you can select your language. Click to start download Technocare. How to install Technocare APK video tutorial link on the description. Thank you for watching.